Hola amigos! Welcome back to our channel, where we celebrate the vibrant and delicious world of Mexican cuisine. Today, we have a special treat for you. We're going to explore one of Mexico's most beloved and refreshing drinks, Agua de Jamaica. So, let's dive right in. The star ingredient of this drink is the dried hibiscus flowers, also known as Flor de Jamaica, in Spanish. These beautiful crimson petals are not only visually stunning but also packed with a tangy and floral flavor that is sure to delight your taste buds. To start, we'll need a bowl of dried hibiscus flowers. You can find these at Latin American grocery stores or online. Make sure to get high-quality dried flowers for the best flavor. Now, let's add boiling water to the bowl of dried hibiscus flowers. The hot water will infuse the flowers, extracting their vibrant color and flavor. To balance the tartness of the hibiscus, we'll add some sugar. The amount of sugar can vary depending on your preference. Start with a few tablespoons and adjust according to your taste. Give it a good stir, making sure the sugar is dissolved, and let the mixture steep for about 15 to 20 minutes. This will allow the flavors to develop and the liquid to become infused with the hibiscus goodness. Once the steeping is complete, strain the liquid into a pitcher. You can use a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to remove any solids. Now, let's add some cold water to the pitcher. The amount of water will depend on how strong you want the flavor of your Agua de Jamaica. To add a touch of freshness and extra flavor, we'll garnish our Agua de Jamaica with some fresh mint leaves and a squeeze of lime. These elements complement the hibiscus beautifully and elevate the overall taste. And there you have it, a beautiful batch of Agua de Jamaica. Look at that stunning ruby red color. It's almost too pretty to drink. The Agua de Jamaica has a tangy and slightly tart taste, balanced by the sweetness of the sugar. The mint and lime add a refreshing twist, making it the perfect drink to cool down on a hot day. Salud! Cheers to the vibrant flavors of Mexico. The hibiscus flowers used to make Agua de Jamaica are rich in antioxidants and have been traditionally used for their medicinal properties. They are believed to help lower blood pressure, boost the immune system, and promote overall well-being. Agua de Jamaica can be enjoyed as is, but it is also commonly used as a base for other drinks and cocktails. It can be mixed with sparkling water, lemonade, or even alcoholic beverages like rum or tequila for added complexity. While Agua de Jamaica is typically enjoyed as a cold beverage, it can also be served warm during colder months. It provides a comforting and soothing experience with its delightful flavors and aromatic qualities. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the wonderful world of Agua de Jamaica. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delightful Mexican recipes. And as always, leave us your comments and let us know what other Mexican drinks or dishes you'd like us to make next. Hasta luego, amigos. See you in the next video.